This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go through the details. Hit the like button. Urgent update for Bitcoin. We have a descending wedge. Clearly, we also have in play potentially a 30-minute time frame descending triangulation. You're going to see this flat bottom support, descending line of resistance with this lead in. And I'm going to talk about how to differentiate where you're going to place your trades. What is the key indicator or litmus test in terms of your entry? I've looked through all the time frames, the 8 hourly, the 1 hourly, the guys from the 77-minute, 45-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, 1 minute. Sorry for talking so fast, but I have to get through the time frames. The 8 hourly is the most relevant. I looked at the daily, monthly, weekly as well, okay? The 8 hourly is the most relevant. Okay, why? Because the 20 moving average on the Bollinger Band is also confluent. It is an overlap perfect with the breakout of this descending wedge. Naturally a bullish feature, okay? A bullish pattern. But what we would like is to see, and what we need is a break through this 20 moving average, set a candle up and over. Okay, we need to set the candle up and over. I say breakout, but really setting a candle up and over would be the trade tactic expressed by the New York Institute of Finance. Okay? So up and over the 20 moving average with the candle set, then this top side band becomes the target, the 21,265. Okay? The top side band becomes the target if bulls can set a candle on the 8 hourly up and over that confluent 20 moving average, which is confluent there with that top line resistance of the descending wedge. Very important. I wanted to scope out this descending triangle so that you understand if we fail, if bulls fail to produce to the upside, it's real clear cut. It's either we set a candle up and over or we don't. If we don't, we're down into the turf of this bottom line support and bears take over. So we have a very clear cut either or. I really like the trade setup today. Very impressive. Let's talk about something else. I like the trade returns. Right, hit the like button if you guys are trading Bitcoin. Liam 145% on a short, 187% thereafter. Total of, I think, about 450% with this long included. Liam, love to watch you trade, my man. Pleasure to have you in VIP. And look at what Liam wrote today. Since joining VIP, I'm averaging 2 good trades per day, surrounding myself with winners and following the right guidance. Hashtag London/New York Institute of Finance. I am now becoming a winner. Much love. Yo. And cheers. He says, much love, VIP, and cheers. Liam, that's why we do it, man. My man, that's just awesome. It's why we do VIP. Love being around good traders. This is bottom line. We love the market. In terms of JMac, every day you're showing up, my man. 123% in terms of this. Just every day you trade, I get excited, JMac. I honestly do. Brother, way to trade. Just get through those 100 rounds, 200 rounds, 300 rounds. Put those notches in the belt in terms of being competitive with the traders who have thousands of trades. Yeah, you're getting really competitive. I like to watch 123%. And Leon, by the way, Leon booked 7 out of his 10 last trades. What's up? That's VIP, guys. In terms of JMac, 123%, then 233%. Boom, way to go, JMac. $6,726. That's a small trade, but I'll say that it's part of a testing process that I'm working through right now to bring VIP in 2022 an entry indicator for both longs and shorts with extremature. Okay, it's going to be called fire and ice. Okay, fire sale, right? I.e. hitting the low of this specific most recent price action. Fire sale, boom, on the 4 hourly. Yeah, there we go. And I call it ice because at the top, you're going to need ice, just ice in the veins, guys. Ice cold short, something like that. We'll talk about how to phrase it together. But you'll see the entries, general entries on longs, the green. Boom, boom. Look at this. Boom. Very well scoped out the golden shorts, right? Boom. The gold is the short area. Bam. Really working on this. Putting a lot of time and effort talking with the dev team to get me the right kind of alerts that I want VIP to be able to get. Yeah, the right kind of alerts so that you can be made aware of this. And it's just complicated mathematics in terms of this. They're not Fibonacci's, they're not Bollinger Bands, they're not Keltner channel, they're not none of that. But they're just solid. We like to see them. So what I'll say is in terms of the returns, very excited to see all of the VIP continue to trade. You have the specifics, very simple, right? We're either going to break through this 20 moving average on the 8 hourly, set a candle, or we're not. It's going to be the critical feature. It's the most relevant feature right now. I know it seems slow. I'll say that. It's like the 8 hourly. But guys, we've been in this range. Let's just talk about this. We've been in this range for 5 days. for 5 days. So let's set a candle up and over. Let's do that and dig into the lower time frames and assess in terms of if you already have, let's say this, if you already have an entry from the low here, congratulations, very nice move. I'm going to invite you to join VIP. I'm going to talk very quickly the rising wedge, bearish feature, logarithmic chart, okay, on the weekly. Now snapping this to and getting this as refined as I possibly humanly can. To the upside, we are down and out of that line of support on the rising wedge of bearish feature. What have we done? The weekly has gone back up and confirmed ever so slightly. Small breakdown through that line of support. However, it's a technical breakthrough support. We haven't set the candle on the other side of support, guys. So we haven't set that candle on through support. Noted. And what I will also note is that there's a potential here for a double bottom. Some additional patterning. I'm going to tell you, you got to be careful. When you're through support like that, you got to be careful. This is the danger zone. If you're having trouble trading, it's like, well, the market seems a little tricky. Yeah, the market seems a little tricky. Absolutely. We're through a macro level of support, trying to establish a double bottom to potentially regain that specific line of support. It's tricky, guys. It's not easy stuff. If you'd like to up your game in terms of trading, 2022 is what it's all about. We are building our VIP, over 130 VIP the first month, more than any other channel. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, and not financial advice. Hit this link here, boom, on YouTube, or join from a desktop computer on the YouTube application. Join from a desktop computer. Once you join, go to Twitter and go ahead and hit the first pin tweet, reply, and put I am VIP, and that will put you in touch with me. Tweet that, reply, and I will put you in the winner's circle. Want to shout out one more time to Leon, saying since joining VIP, I'm averaging 2 good trades per day, surrounding myself with winners and following the right guidance. Hashtag London/New York Institute of Finance. Right here, I am now becoming a winner. Much love, VIP. Cheers. That is why we do VIP. It's why we have the #1 trade group. We love stories like that. Liam, it's a pleasure to know you, my man. Guys, this is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's dig in and get ready for some volatility. Let's get ready for some real volatility. I just say that, guys. We're always ready for it in Bitcoin, but it's just like she's been grinding a little much, hasn't she? Just a little bit much. We'd like another one of these moves. Boom. That was a big trade day. This was a big trade day. Boom. You guys know, big trade days. What were these? Just bam. Guys, big moves, 10% moves. We like those 10, 15% moves from Bitcoin. That's why we trade Bitcoin. So let's go. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Looking forward to the weekend. Appreciate all you guys. Shout out in the comments if you can. And join today. We welcome you if you want to beat the market. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care of yourselves. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.